Hi, Remine recently released a new feature that allows you to schedule and even broadcast your live open house tours. So to get started, you have to schedule your live open houses through Remine on your desktop. And then you would actually, if you choose to stream through Remine, do so through the mobile application. So to get started, you would have to log into your Miami Gateway and open your Remine account. Now, recently, all Miami members have been upgraded to Remine Pro. There's nothing you need to do on your end. That change has happened automatically. To create a live open house tour, or to schedule it, I should say, you need to be the listing agent or the co-listing agent. And there are two places you can go to schedule this open house. You can either, from your daily screen, look for the card that says My Listings and click on the small icon that has a computer and a phone, and it says Create Live Open House. You can also, from within the actual property information, create the live open house or schedule it. Okay, so it also says it on the left-hand side where it says Create Live Open House. So you have two different places you can go to schedule. You click on that option and you can either stream using Remine Live, or you can simply create a live open house and stream using any of the platforms that are mentioned at the bottom, which include Facebook, Google, Zoom, TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule one, and I'm going to use Remine Live. And I'm going to schedule it for this afternoon. Once you've set the date and the time, you click on Create, and you are all set. Now, in order for you to then stream this information, you would have to jump into your mobile application. And once you are in your mobile application, you'll notice that at the very top of your application, it says My Remine Live. And in order for me to start streaming, I would just tap on it. And then I would go ahead and where it says Start Remine Live at the bottom, tap on that. And that's it, I'm live. Now, if you notice in the top right corner, it'll let you know how many viewers are in. It will not tell you who they are, but it will give you a count. And once you're done at the bottom, you can tap on the stop button that's in the center. Now, your other options would be, as I mentioned earlier, Facebook, Instagram, Zoom, Google, and those platforms oftentimes allow you to see who is attending. It also allows them to interact with you, and you can save those recordings. If you choose to stream using Remine Live, that recording is not saved. So as of right now, Remine Live works on the spot, but you cannot save it or store it and view it later or post it later. Now, if I would like to cancel this, let's say the time is not going to work, I can simply click on that same button, and now at the bottom it'll say Cancel Event. You verify, yes, cancel the live open house, and you are all set. So they'll see it as an announcement on their application's home screen. So if you notice right here, it's announcing that there are 2 Remine Lives that are scheduled or were scheduled for those dates and times. And you can really quickly tap on it and go view it. Now, on the opposite side of that, if you would like to search for live open houses that are coming up, you can do so through Remine. So you would jump into a search, and they added a filter under status that says live open house only. So I can go ahead and mark that or toggle that button on. I can specify an area, so maybe I'm specifically looking for live open houses in Miramar, and my result would show up on the right hand side. So I see that there is an open house scheduled for tomorrow at 12. I can click into the property, and I can go ahead and click on the open house link at that time and view it. Now, if I decide to tap on this from my mobile application, It's not going to show me anything right now because this is scheduled to happen tomorrow, but there is a play option at the bottom of the screen. I tap and it would go ahead and stream through my Remine mobile application. So in order for you to stream or to view a stream using Remine Live, you must have the mobile application. Otherwise, your options are Facebook, Instagram, etc. Now, I can also run the search on my mobile device. And so you'll see that on the right hand side it says open live. So that's the filter, and I can again specify a location. Okay, there's my result. When I tap on it, the property comes up. And if I tap on the property again, I'll see right beneath the listing agent that there is an open house. I can either watch it or I can tap on calendar, give Remine access to my calendar, and add an event into my calendar so I don't forget to tune in on that date and at that time. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. And as always, thank you for being a Miami member.